Alright, this is about been what I've been working on. This is a zero turn. It had that Kawasaki right there, burning oil, but the guy had another zero turn with a weak hydraulic that I just put this brand new engine on not too long ago. So we put this new, I put this new color over on this. My uncle helped me get it up on here. We did the wiring and stuff. This panel needs fixed. I had to run a new throttle cable, but it's finished. So other than the panel, so let me try to take it out and take y'all on a test drive with me. Up. Throttle cable might need a little work. More work. Hold on, guys. Let me fix this issue and then I'll get back. Let's see if you guys want. Okay. All right, now let's go. Oh, wrong one. I'll have to fix this later. I'll fix this later. Something's going on here and it ain't. Got the line somewhere in a kink or something. Hopefully I don't have to run a new one. Okay. But I'll fix that before the guy picks it up. Alright guys, y'all ready? Go for a test ride. Thing got power. Stop, Axel. I love this new color. It's quiet as can be. Axel, stop. The dog's a tire biter. Axel, get back so I can turn the deck on. Go on. Hey guys, let's see the deck. Nice. So I gotta fix that choke cable and it should be ready, that panel, and it should be ready to go. Park right here. Well, that's what I've been working on, off and on for the past week. So, thanks for liking. If you ain't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to hit that bell.